Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your update messaging Instagram not showing. So if your message section has not yet been updated on Instagram, then you can do this. You can simply click on the message icon at the top right of your screen and you will get an update option over here. But if the update is not available over here, then you need to update your Instagram in itself. For that, go to your app store and then search for Instagram to check if there is any update. Over here, if it shows you update instead of open, you need to click on update and update your Instagram and a problem should be fixed. Once your Instagram is up to date, go on the message section and you will see the update button over here. If you still don't see it, then what you need to do is delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes the problem, so by deleting and reinstalling your Instagram, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is report this issue. To report a problem, you can click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen and click on the 3 line at the top right. From over here, you need to click on settings and privacy, scroll a bit down and click on where it says help center. Over here you can see help, click on help. From over here, click on report a problem. Click on over here where it says report problem without shaking. Click on don't include and continue. And over here, explain your problem like this. You just want to write this: my message section has not been updated. Can you help me fix it? Once you write it, click on send. And this information or this problem will be reported to Instagram. Instagram staff will view it and they'll help you fix your issue. So that's how you guys can fix update messaging Instagram not showing. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.